In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put everything on sale on Shopify 5 minutes. First, open your Shopify admin in a browser and sign in so you're looking at the dashboard. We're going to use Shopify's built-in bulk editor to change prices across your entire catalog quickly and safely. From the left sidebar, go to Products. This shows all items and their variants. If you only want live items, check your filters, but for a true store-wide sale, keep all products selected. At the top of the list, choose Select All. If Shopify offers an option to select all products across all pages, confirm that so every product is included, not just the first page you're seeing. Next, click Bulk Edit. The bulk editor opens a spreadsheet style view where you can change fields for many products at once. You can scroll and tab through cells just like a sheet, which makes large changes much faster. Make sure the compare at price column is available. If you don't see it, use the columns menu in the editor to add compare at price so it appears alongside price. Shopify uses these two fields together to show a sale. Compare at price should be the original price, and price should be the discounted sale price customers will pay. Now enter your sale price. In the price column, type the discounted amount you want for the first product, then use the fill handle or keyboard shortcuts to apply that value or a percentage formula across the rows you want. If the compare at price is empty, copy the current regular price into compare at price first, then place your lower sale amount in the price column. Be sure your sale price is lower than the compare value. That's what triggers the strike through and sale badge on most themes. If your products have variants, check a couple of rows to confirm each variant shows the correct pair of prices. When you're happy with the changes, click Save in the top right of the bulk editor. Shopify will process the updates. On larger catalogs, give it a moment. Once the save completes, open your storefront in a new tab and spot check a few product pages and a collection page to confirm the sale pricing is visible. That's it, you've put everything on sale using the bulk editor quickly and cleanly. If you plan timed promotions in the future, consider drafting a duplicate sheet of prices or using a bulk price rule so you can roll sales on and off without manual edits.